Undo and redo in Excel. Well, undo and redo in Excel work exactly the same as in any other Windows application. Undo simply rolls back your changes one step. Redo rolls them forward one step. How does that work? Well, let me show you. Let's say I'm right here and I press delete and I accidentally deleted that value. And I'm right here and I accidentally delete this one. And I want to get them back. So what do? I go up here to this bar where I have this little arrow, which is the undo arrow. And what I do is I press it, and the value I deleted gets put back there to how it was before. And if I do it again, the other value I deleted gets put back to the way it was. Now let's say that this was correct and I actually wanted to delete that value. Well, I just press right here. This is called redo. And once again, it deletes the first value and it deletes the second value. That's how undo and redo work. Now, undo and redo work by operation. Okay, what does that mean? Well, it means that they affect all the cells you did at once. So if I deleted all those cells at once and I press undo, I'm going to get them all back at the same time. I'm not going to get them back one by one. I'm going to get all these back at the same time. See, same thing there. I get them back all at the same time. And if I redo, they go away all at the same time. Now that's kind of frustrating. For example, if I wanted to delete this range and it turns out I deleted the range and I'm saying, okay, well, I didn't need to delete that number. Unfortunately, you can't undo just this number. You undo the entire range that you deleted. So you'd have to do that and reselect and delete them. But that's more or less how undo and redo work. And another important thing, they also work for formatting. Say I took this and put a green color in there. If I undo, the green color goes away. You can see exactly what you're going to undo by clicking this little arrow here. When you click the little arrow, you get a drop down which says everything that you've done in Excel. You see, Excel keeps a record of every operation you've done recently on your worksheet, and it allows you to undo those changes to your worksheet. You can undo a single change here, or you can do a whole series of changes right there. Say, for example, that I deleted these 4 values and I want to get them all back. Now I could press undo 4 times, or I could use this little arrow. See, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 clears, and I click the last one, and there's my 4 values. So that's an easier way to undo a series of operations. If you figure out that you need to step back, 10 steps, 20 steps in your worksheet, and you don't want to do it one by one, well, simply click here and select all of them and just click them away. Same thing applies to redo. Just click the drop down and select all the actions you want to redo. Normally you're going to have way more actions here in undo than in redo. That's normal in Excel. But keep those functions in mind. Undo and redo, they're real useful for working in Excel. The shortcut key for undo, by the way, is Ctrl-Z. So if you don't want to go up here and select the undo command and you wanted to get that back, what you do is you hold down Control and press Z. And once you press Z, well, you activated the undo command. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe to our channel and to visit our website, cubicleoverlords.com, for more instructional videos like this one.